Connor TV Hypebeast Mystery Box Challenge. What up, though? We're opening up a different kind of mystery box today. Should be a lot of fun, man. I really have no idea what to expect in this one. So stay tuned, it's coming up next.
Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house on the couch watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the stuff.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with a different kind of mystery box today. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a mystery box from fellow YouTuber Connor TV. Should be a lot of fun, man. I mean, it's a lot different than what we're usually doing with Soul Steals and Soul Supremacy. I mean, we go back and forth between those two pretty often, so it's nice to have something different in the mix. And this one actually has a very interesting story behind it, so I'm pretty excited to open up this box. But before I can get into that though, I gotta give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Bump. You guys may have heard of me talking about Bump in the past before, but what's actually really interesting is that before, one of the greatest questions that I found in the comments about those Bump videos is that Bump did not support Android, which wouldn't be a problem if you guys made the switch to iPhone XS Max for a cool $14.99. But thankfully, you guys don't have to do that now because they do have it for the Android devices as well as the iOS. So be sure to check that link in the description below. It'll take you directly to the link where you can download Bump. And if you guys don't know what Bump is, it is actually a buy and sell app where you can sell like Hypebeast stuff, sneakers, a whole bunch of stuff, man. Bump makes it really easy to find what you want through their filter feature where you can look through a whole bunch of different like Hypebeast brands. They got Supreme, Bape, things like that. Pick your color of what you're looking for, black, white, which I guess for this one we should look for a CDG box logo that just released. Yeah, let's do that. I need that shirt. It looks pretty dope. Let's check it out. So I'll hit up all of those filters right there, and then it promptly takes you to a screen where you can look at a whole bunch of different listings that they have on Bump that are being sold from a different buyer. So that's pretty cool, and what's even better is that you can actually interact with these buyers through this app directly. Messaging is really easy though. Just click on the item that you want to purchase, hit message, and you can instantly chat with that person. You can say what you want. How much is it? Do you have other pictures? Basically get whatever information you need from the seller, hopefully pretty quickly, because I really want that Supreme box logo CDG, man. Got the white one, need the black one, so we'll see how that goes. And obviously the other feature, instead of me buying something, I can also sell something on the Bump app as well. So it's really easy to sell actually. All you gotta do is put a couple pictures on there, create a title, so Supreme shoulder bag, which I thought was a laptop bag, but it's not, it's a shoulder bag. You can go ahead and put the condition on there. You can go ahead and put if it's clothing, footwear, accessories. So once all of that is completed, you can go ahead and click create, and once you hit create, your listing is live for the whole world to see, and hopefully you got a buyer pretty quickly. So now that you guys have seen the app, all you guys got to do is go down to the description below. Be sure to click on that link and follow me at Untitled Hawaii. I would go check it out. Link in the description below. But now into today's video, which like I was saying earlier is the Connor TV Hypebeast Mystery Box Challenge. Should be a lot of fun, man. Connor TV is another YouTuber who does a lot of streetwear and Hypebeast stuff. I feel like more Hypebeast than sneakers, so it's a little bit different, but you should definitely check out his channel. I'll link that in the description below too. But anyway, this guy reached out to me and he was like, hey, do you want to enter this mystery box challenge? Because apparently I do mystery boxes, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, so I was definitely down. I mean, I love opening up different boxes, and it's cool to see something that's not Soul Supremacy or Soul Steals, so this was a lot of fun. So what made it a challenge, quote unquote challenge, is that we had to try to fit $50 worth of Hypebeast stuff into one mystery box and basically send each other a box. So if you guys want to see what I sent Connor, I will also link that video in the description as well, so you guys can go directly over there and see what I got him. And yeah, obviously you guys are gonna see what he got me. But we'll see who has the better box and who got maximum value, I guess, out of their 50 bucks. It could be Hypebeast stuff. It could be a lot of random accessories and stuff. It could have been anything. It was basically a free-for-all. So hoping I got a couple cool things from Connor. I don't know, man. Did you hook it up? I think he hooked it up for the Ohana. Let's check it out though, man. Very cool box like this. Chicka boom on the side. Connor TV over here. What up though over here? Anyway, it says open on this side, so let's open it up, man. Don't even need a knife for this. That's cool. Oh. Oh man, there's a lot of tape. Well, first things first. Oh shoot, okay. Bryson, what up though? Thanks for being the first to join in on the $50 Hypebeast Mystery Box Challenge. Hope you like the things I got you. Chicka boom, your boy, Connor TV. Very cool, Connor. Thanks, man. Let's see what you got in the box though. So it really was like a free-for-all, man, because it's not only Hypebeast stuff in here, there's just like a lot of stuff in here. So this is a Cracker Jack box. That is dope. Love Cracker Jacks. This is cool. This is cool. Okay. See, I'm already like thrown off because I wasn't expecting there to be like not something Supreme, not something Bape. Yeah, I don't really know what I was expecting, but I definitely wasn't expecting Cracker Jacks of all things. That's cool. I like that. Oh man. You guys know what this is. So instant ramen noodles. I'm sure this is like combined maybe like a solid what, three bucks or so, $3, so still within the $50. I'll eat that after this, I guess. Okay, moving away from that though, next thing out we got is a StockX bag. This is kind of cool. Don't know how you get these StockX bags, but I think that's pretty sick, man. It's like a little carrying bag, I guess. Messenger bag, is that what they're called? I don't know, but this is actually pretty dope. I like this is cool. Dude, this is pretty fun. I really like this Hypebeast challenge idea, man. This is cool. Because next up, I got a pair of size 11. That's my size. That's cool. Adidas Slides of some sort. I don't know. It looks pretty dope though. These said that they are $12.99. So definitely fitting within $50 though. And as you guys know, living in Hawaii, man, I wear slippers a lot more than I wear shoes. I don't know if you guys even call these slippers. This is what locals or, you know, people in Hawaii call them. So yeah, we'll definitely use these. I like it. I like it. Next up, we got a, what is this? It looks like it's a Puma shirt, so this is pretty dope. It's got like a camel kind of vibe, a lot of yellow in here, which is really dope. I like the color yellow. And yeah, this is not bad. You can see XO Puma over here. So far, so good, dude. I like it. I think this is the last thing in here. Very cool, very cool. So the last thing in here, it looks like we got an Adidas bag. So it's like a little fanny pack. I wonder if you put anything in here too. That would be, oh, yep, you did. Silica gel pack. Of course, so that's dope. What do you guys think? This is the haul from the $50 challenge hosted by Connor TV. I think we made out okay. I think we did pretty okay here. Basically got a whole outfit you can put together, throw that shirt on, throw that fanny pack on, throw those slippers on. So this was actually really dope and pretty fun, man. So Connor, great idea, dude. I'm not really sure if there's a win-lose here, and I don't think that's up for me to decide. That's definitely up to you guys to decide. So what I would do is I would go down to the description below, check out the video that Connor TV posted of what I sent him, and you guys can compare by coming back to this video and letting me know who won, who got the better end of it. I don't know. I want to hear you guys' opinions. Should be a lot of fun. Check that out. Very cool idea, Connor. Hope to see a lot more of these videos on your channel in the future. Thank you for inviting me to the challenge, and yeah, thank you for this stuff. This is pretty cool. Anyway, something different for you guys. I know it was a little bit not super hype beast as I thought. You know, just throw a couple Supreme stickers on here and we're pretty hype beast though. So thanks again, Connor. Also again, thank you to Bump. If you guys have an Android device or you guys have an iOS device, you can download it either way now. So hit that link in the description below. Be sure to do that. Anyway, until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!